Hello children, good day to all. Here is an interesting story about 17 Oranges by Bill Norton. A narrator in this story was a young boy who had an irresistible love for oranges. He narrates his awful experience when he was caught red-handed by a policeman while stealing the oranges from the shipyard. And he also explains how cleverly he escaped from that situation. After then, he was never crazy about oranges. In the beginning of the story, the narrator explains how crazy he was about oranges. He used to chew them day and night. The narrator was working for Swift Delivery Company as a driver for a cart with a little pony, and he used to go in and out of dockyard. He was not a thief, but he would take something and hide it in his apron whenever he goes inside the docks. One day, the young boy was caught red-handed by the policeman named Pongo while he was trying to steal the oranges from the shipyard. The policeman asked the boy to wait a minute, and he wanted to check what was bulging in his pockets. So he caught him by his collar and took him to the cabin and looked into his pocket and found 17 oranges. Pongo counted and placed the 17 oranges on the table and confronted the boy that many people were stealing things from the shipyard and asked him if he had anything to say how those 17 oranges came into his pockets. But the boy was really scared and he had nothing to say. He just kept quiet. So Pongo went out to bring another colleague to be the eyewitness in the court. The boy was scared and thought that probably he would go to jail for stealing and lose his job. He was also thinking of his father, whether he would scold him or feel bad. He almost felt sick as he had no way to escape. His inner voice told him to eat the oranges to erase the evidence. If he had to remove the evidence, he had to swallow the seeds too, said his inner voice. He had to eat even the peel to erase the entire evidence, and he said to himself that he would. At last, the boy managed to eat all the 17 oranges, even with the pips and peels. When Pongo and the other policemen entered the cabin, to their surprise, there were no oranges on the table. The other policeman said that he could smell oranges. Pongo tried to search for the oranges in the narrator's pocket and apron, but he could not find even one orange. Finally, Pongo understood what might have happened to the oranges. Then Pongo exclaimed, 17 oranges! That too, the oranges were too big. How could the boy eat all the oranges? Because of no evidence, Pongo had to let him free finally. Let us see the mind map for the story. The narrator used to work at a shipyard carrying shipments to docks. He had an irresistible love for oranges, so he stole them from the ships and boats and chewed them for hours. So once he was caught by a policeman for stealing the oranges from the shipyard. Pongo wanted to make this case an example for all the other workers and frighten them of the consequences of dishonesty and stealing. When the policeman locked him in a room and went out for getting another police officer to be a witness, the narrator ate up all the 17 oranges with the pips and peels and vanished the last evidence against him. So that was a bitter experience for him. Well, thereafter he was never crazy about oranges. Thank you students for listening to the story. I hope this story was an example for you to understand the consequences of stealing. Thank you.